deliver the presentation on blockchain technology. A blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks and that are linked using cryptography. Every new innovation is the result of an attempt to solve a problem. Blockchain technology is no exception. It's quite evident after learning about the evolution of blockchain technology that is arose because of a need to address the inevitability of uncertainty in the existing economy. Although blockchain has a variety of definitions, a blockchain can be best described as a data structure of blocks that are chained together to form a collection of records called ledger, with cryptography being a key ingredient in the process. The first ever idea of maintaining a chain of blocks to construct a tamper-proof timestamp of digital documents came about in 1991, but the concept wasn't popularized until the author Satoshi Nakamoto, whose identity is still not known today, showcased the blockchain and their true use of decentralized network in 2008 by publishing a paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Later in 2009, a reference implementation of blockchain technology was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. This was called Bitcoin. This was the first and still remains the most popular implementation of the blockchain-based electronic cash system. Blockchain makes corruption more difficult because it is a distributed ledger technology that can certify records and transactions without the use of central database and in a way that cannot be erased, altered, or tampered with. Blockchain puts us user in a straightforward position. As the system doesn't require any governing authority, we can directly access it from the web and store our assets there. Well, it's extremely secure because it offers a special disguise, cryptography. In simple terms, the information on the network hides the true nature of the data. The ledger on the network is maintained by all the other users on the system. This distributed the computation power across the computer to ensure a better outcome. Blockchain offers a faster settlement compared to traditional banking system. This way a user can transfer money relatively faster, which saves a lot of time in the long run. Blockchain technology can be implemented into multiple areas. The primary implementation of blockchain today is in a distributed ledger of cryptocurrencies, most notably Bitcoin. But there are few more operational products maturing from proof of concept by last 2016. Cryptocurrencies. Most cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology to record transactions, for example Bitcoin. Blockchain-based smart contracts are proposed contracts that can be partially or fully executed or enforced without human interactions. Financial services